Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a video through AI script generator. So as you can see, simply we have to go to the Vidnoz AI website, and then we have to go to the AI tools option, and then we have to go to the script generator. We have to generate the script. So as you can see, I have already generated my script. Now we are going to see how you can create a video using this script. So if you want to export this, you can also do that. The export.txt. If you want to copy this to the clipboard, you can also do that. As you can see, the options are also provided. If you want to modify this as a shorten, as a expand, as a rephrase, as a professional, you can also do that. But here's an option for the create video by script. So you have to click on this option, which is called create video by script. You can also create a video using this script, the script you have generated. So as you can see, now we are redirected here. In a few seconds, your video will be also generated from here. You can also edit a video, you can also modify the video, you can do all the changes in your video through a Vidnoz AI video generator. So we have to wait for a few seconds until it load, and after that we will be able to edit that or the create the video. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can create a video using the script you have created through AI Windows generator, and after how you can create that video using that script. As you can see, now our video is created using a script which we have generated on the Windows AI website. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.